Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing an unboxing of Nena Co bag. This is my first purchase of Nena Co. I got into it because my sister bought them and she told me how it was a good cause, and they come from Guatemala and they're all one of a kind. You can't get the same one more than once, and there's a market for it where they trade and resell them, so I figured I'd give it a try. I already opened it because I couldn't wait. But if you open it inside, it comes wrapped in this paper, and it has a dust bag. You can see here, Nena Co. And you're able to just strap it together. I like that because not even Louis Vuitton or other designers do that. I know Junior Burke does, but I really like having this. And then, along with that, came a little pamphlet letting you know about the leather and the wavering of the bag, and then just their care instructions about the one-of-a-kind bag. And then you can get little accessories to decorate them, like you see in this picture. The bag that I got is a convertible day bag, so it's one of the largest sizes. They do have a duffel bag that's larger. This is mine here. I put on the straps. So in the front, I have a nice pocket. It's very big. Take all this out. See how the wavering goes all the way inside? It's very colorful. Put it close up so you can see all these nice details put into it. In the back, it looks like it has a pocket, but this is not a pocket. It does have a zipper pocket. It's a good size. On the side, I have this side pocket on each side and a little clip. This is all untreated natural leather. Inside, you have the Nena Co logo and this nice tomato red interior. Come with two different kind of straps. You have these two straps that allow you to use it as a backpack. You can carry it with these two handles, or you have this longer strap that allows you to carry as a crossbody, and the crossbody has this. You can adjust it as well. I'm not going to treat it as of now, but some people do treat the leather so it doesn't get damaged. I'm going to leave it as is. It smells really good. I really like it, and I believe I will be making a lot more purchases from them because they are one of a kind, so nobody else can have the exact same bag that I have. And at the bottom, I forgot this, you have these so it doesn't get damaged, which is awesome. I think I'm gonna wear it. Also keep in mind that it's not gonna be a perfect bag. You're gonna have little threads here and there because they're all handmade in Guatemala. And I know that she releases her collection every Friday. So this is from last week's collection. Then we have a new one coming out on Friday, and they sell super fast. So I'll probably do a follow-up review in a month or so, but definitely check them out. Bye guys.